What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm gonna go through how to make a program in Java in BlueJ that prints out a times table. So let's call it let's call the class times table, and we don't want the default code of the class, so let's delete all that. And right, let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, so let's write the class header public class times table curly brackets a constructor, and we don't want any arguments just yet. A few more curly braces in there. Okay, so what do we need, guys? Well, we need an integer that we want to do the times table for. So let's call that one int num, and let's just set num to 9. I think that's a pretty good times table, really. Okay, so what do we need to do now? Let's make a method, and we don't want anything returned, so let's write void, and let's call it print times table. Right. Okay, excuse me, guys. Wrong semicolon. Right, here we go. So let's do a for loop, and let's do an int row, which will control the row, and let's do from up to, so starting from 0 up to, actually no, guys, what am I doing? We want to start from 1. We don't want the 0 times table, that'd be pretty boring. So row, keep going until row is 12, or wall. Wait, no, it needs to be equal to 12, because we do want the 12 part as well, like 12 times 9. Okay. So let's increment row. So this loop will go through 1 to 12, and so that will go through all the numbers 1 to 12. So now we need a column. So for int col equals 1. This is pretty similar to dear brother, actually. So no, not very exciting, guys. But here we go. Col plus plus, increment it, and alright, let's just do the loop properly. Okay, so what do we need to do now within the loop? So the outer loop goes from 1 to 12, and on each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop goes from 1 to 12. So when this one is 1, this one goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then when this is 2, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So to print all of the times tables, we're going to need a print statement. That makes a lot of sense. And in that, let's do the row plus a times symbol plus a column. What will that do? Okay, so when row is 1, it will print row, and then a time symbol, and then col. So it will be 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, 1 times 5. And let's do print line, because we want them all to be on separate lines. And then we also what that is actually equal to. So it's kind of useful if you're learning your times tables. And right, so what is that number that we need? It is row times col. Let's just do this so it actually works. We need to put the equal symbol in quotation marks and do the correct number of spaces, and then concatenate the answer. Alright, guys, so I think we're doing pretty well now. Let's compile. Let's go in. Going wrong here. Oh, there we go. And I've done 2 equal signs. My bad. And my god, this string is terrible. Let's go. I forgot a plus sign. Oh, that's it then. Okay, let's have a go. Oh, and I forgot a semicolon as well. I mean, a curly brace. Curly brace. There we go. Control int. Make it a bit neater. Okay. Here we go. Let's call it print times table. Fingers crossed. Let's make it big. And there we go. Every times table is printed in order. What more can you ask for? There we go, all the way down. So that's pretty handy. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you enjoyed it or if it helped you. And take it easy, guys.